Okay, hello subscribers and friends. Back from Asia for a brief time, back in the good old USA. I should be heading back here sometime this spring to continue work and travel and all the stuff that I do. Today looks like gold held steady right around 1,200 an ounce. Silver up slightly, about 13 cents, 10 cents or so, about 18 and change. Not really a big surprise. The markets, however, did bounce back about 350 points or so on the day on the upside. The news out of Europe is that Greece is going to get that bailout. There's a $1 trillion package approximately from the EU and IMF, and this certainly isn't the first bailout package, and it won't be the last. If this tells us anything, it tells us that we're looking at more quantitative easing. Central banks will continue to print money as long as they possibly can to delay the inevitable. What I've been telling friends and family to do is to purchase PMs, make a final push for that. Right here I have a new delivery that just came in from APMEX, American Precious Metals Exchange. I highly recommend them because they have great prices, great service, and they ship quite quickly, many different payment options, and I've never had a problem with them. The only other method I suggest going and using is a local coin shop that could use your business. It's valuable to them, valuable to you to create a relationship with your local coin shop, because when the time comes to sell your bullion, you want to make sure that you have that relationship there and that you can call on them by name and be able to get the best service possible. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we got here. I was anxious to get back to pick up some more precious metals besides the pandas that I've got. Pandas are really nice, but I've gotten a little bit bored of looking at them recently, and I'm not very comfortable buying Chinese gold and silver bars because I'm concerned about the aftermarket for those. Are there going to be enough demand for those products? That's my only question. Okay. Do a good job of packing this, that's for sure. There, okay, we're halfway there. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we have. One pack here. Take a look. Okay, there it is. 1/4 ounce gold, American Eagle. I don't know if that can show up as well as I'd like, but I'm buying gold in smaller weights because as the gold price rises, I want to make sure that I'm able to liquidate those if I need to. The ounce coins are great. I would love to be able to have some of those, but I think that this is the best way to go. I'm going to look at getting the 1/10 ounce gold Eagles by the tube. I know that they had recently sold out of those, and now they have them available again. I like 10th ounce and quarter ounce. The weights are good, and the premiums are quite high, but like I said, you're going to have more buyers of that when the price gets super high than you will necessarily of the 1 ouncers. Okay, silver. We have, looks like 4 20-ounce stacks of the American Eagle silver, and 1 stack here of the Canadian Maples 25. So let's take a close look at those, see how they look. Always use a glove of some sort when handling these, especially the silver maples, because they are 0.9999 fine silver, and they do tarnish quite easily. $5 Canadian on those, which is another reason why I like them, because they do have a higher face value, and at the very least you can cash those in for face or thereabouts if you're truly desperate. Okay, and here's the Eagles. I already have a bunch of these. Had to get some more. There's a 2010. I'm assuming most of you know exactly what they look like. If not, please go out and buy some. As I said before, I think silver is the best play. Many of the top economic minds are echoing themselves in recommending being only in silver and gold related assets. That's silver or gold related coins, bullion, or stocks. And the reason being, everything else is going to go down in value. We see mortgages continuing to be an issue. Housing has not bottomed out yet. Real estate's got a ways to go, maybe as much as 20%. Can't say that investing in cars is a good investment, obviously. Keeping cash around only enough to pay your bills, because all fiat currency ends up being nothing in the long run. Stocks, take your chances with those. I do believe that the gold and silver related stocks will hold up much better than many of the other stocks. If you have to be in stocks that do pay a dividend. Otherwise, gold and silver related assets, anything that can be liquid and also will increase in value, or at the very minimum hold up against inflation.